of a flower with a smile to show our happiness of our teacher's teaching. Well, there's a surprise inside. Peek-a-boo! Happy Teacher's Day! I made this greeting card to show the love on teachers. Surprise! Well, thank you for making me be who I am. I pray for your well-being and success and shower